here's what's crazy about lake effect. Just cruising 75, road's wide open, but you see what's coming up there? See them clouds? I'll get back to you. Let me show you my mileage. Okay, that's where I'm at. What time? Okay. I should be there within 5 or 10 minutes. Little update. Went about a mile or two, about a minute. Get closer. Alright, I may have exaggerated how close it was. It's not as close as I thought it was. It's about 6 miles away. There it is. Getting a little closer. Little by little. Alright, starting to get a little bit of slush here and there. These people will not be going 70 mile an hour here shortly. Getting real close. I can see it up there. Alright, here it comes. It's going to be like driving down I-70 westbound in Colorado through the Eisenhower Tunnel. Nice and sunshiny on the one side. Go through in winter wonderland. That's what we're going to get right here. I'm just going to keep recording. Probably get down to 2 lanes there, I bet you. I already got this rig in 4-wheel drive. Yeah, we're down to 2 lanes here in a minute. Pretty much 2 lanes. Officially 2 lanes. Are we going to see 1? Alright, under a quarter mile. There you go, North Portage. Here's your snow. Semis have transitioned into the left lane. I gotta get over anyways. Alright, it's real bad now. I would say we're down to an 1/8 mile. Traffic's down, 30 mile an hour. Yep, getting bad. Won't be surprised I see a wreck. People are going too fast for the visibility, too close to each other. Not me though. But I'm recording. Gen X, baby. And we're down to under 1/8 mile visibility. Almost white out. And it's even hard to see the exit. I would call this, I would say a whiteout. Real close. I mean, one notch under whiteout. And my camera's not even zoomed right now. That's just one time, or zoomed 3 times. I think it's coming down. I'm obviously watching the road, not my camera. So hopefully it's coming out. That car's probably 40 yards in front of me. The overpass thing right there, 50 yards. This is no joke. I can't go over 25 mile an hour. I mean, I could, but I mean, I'm not comfortable stopping quick enough. Pretty bad. On the home stretch, our road. Got some pretty good snow overnight. Looks like about 6-8 inches, and starting to come down pretty good. All right, I'm home. Hey, bird. Hey, bird. Looking for heat. Anyways, there we go. It's deep. I'm all dug out. Look how deep. I just walked in that. You see it? It's like 3 feet. Maybe not 3 feet. Up to my knees. Here, watch. Zoom out. Okay, hang on. All right, you see? Okay, you see right now. All right. Regular. Okay, ready? All right. See? That deep.